scene, it seem out of scene. I'm opting out from the option. It's not caffeine, it's fiendish. I wear the pants in my circumstance, and not by happenstance. My plans have to happen. However, I can't tell my homies stop rapping, or what woman ain't good for 'em without clashing. Lashing out from a glass house, ducking stones. Quarantine from the scene, we all stuck at home. I'm prone to plan the most, run the play better. The three-pronged approach, the double-sided ledger. Manifesto, the prawn sizzling and pesto. Overlooked and you die, you know where the best go. Dead and gone, now your song the favorite. It's moments like this, you gotta save it. The road less traveled, it's all gravel till you pave the pavement. Goliath, I identify with David, blessed and favored. Yo, 48 hours ducking Nick Nolte. Technical difficulties, a couple culprits. Pull the coops up quick, I hate being cooped up. Claustrophobic, no phobias, I'm booked up. Crib potty, play the pool from the basement. Stripper pole, private party, my own follies. Imported plates from Portugal, don't pop mollies, but killed the pussy. Body count, don't count the bodies. Probably could pull a caper, but niggas sleep. You tryna share the vision, it's like pulling teeth. The hardest thing to get the whole team on one accord. Fleet of Lamborghini, start with one accord. Lord, work your way from the bottom, climb to the top. You know this shit don't stop. Yeah, not enough time on the watch, but watch, keep watching the fly. Yeah.